Hey guys, it's Matt with Contractor Hub again today, and we're going to talk about time off requests and how your employees would request time off, make sure that they have enough PTO that you have set up for them, and make sure that we're able to approve and review them automatically in Contractor Hub. So anybody in your HR managing your employees, then they can get an overview instead of keeping this in a spreadsheet that gets lost. We don't know how much people have left. We're going to be able to track that within Contractor Hub. So let's jump right into it. It's in the People module under Team Management. You're going to go to the Time Off tab up here. And if somebody has a request for time off, they can either put it in, they'll typically have a time off request on their dashboard, but they can also put it in on their time off requests. They're only going to be seeing these, so we can see who is requesting time off and what type of time off request it is, if it's PTO, the date that they'll be starting. So we're going to say he's requesting off for August 3rd through August 7th. And then we're not going to, if they're only asking for maybe a half day, maybe they're asking for four hours or 2 hours, maybe they have a doctor's appointment or something, they can request that there as well. And then any notes that you want to add. So once we add that, that time off request is going to go into the list for pending. Now, once that goes into that list for pending, we're going to see all of the ones that are currently pending. Employees will only see their specific requests. Admins will see all of their requests. So we can kind of go through and figure out, all right, what do we have? We've got Thomas Anderson. He's got a scheduled surgery the 28th, 29th. Do we need to approve that one? We're going to go through and just hit approve request. Now, if we need to deny requests, an email notification and a bell notification will go to that employee, letting them know it's either denied or approved once it gets approved, and then it goes into your approved bucket. So just remember, you can, once you have that time off request created, or the employee has created it and put it into the system, it will go into pending status, and then we'll see what type it is, and we have the option to approve or deny. There's going to be some additional features that go around this, such as, multiple employee availability. If there's multiple people that have requested off on the same day, we'll be able to set alerts and warnings. Those are features that are coming in the next few weeks in our next release. But for now, this is just a quick way to track what's in there and how much time they have requested off in the past. So if you have any questions, reach out to customer success. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks so much.